Hey guys, February 6, 2025. Let's see what the dollar's up to. So far, my trade went pretty well. We got a nice little pop. I closed my short on the Euro USD at 134.8, I believe, something like that. Short from 144 all the way to 134.8. So, US reported unemployment. It's been having a tough time, the dollar at 108-ish and change. But so far is back at point of control using 3 months. It's pretty much square in the middle. A lot of support here, as you can see, anywhere between this 107.30 was a low of 107.22. Popped up. So another question is it going to continue? The models I have say it's going to continue. But I want to see what's going to happen here. If it's going to pull back, maybe I'll get in. Or maybe just put a buy order at the top if it pulls back. So if it's going to continue following the models, and when I say put a buy order, I mean I'm shorting the euro. So I'm doing the opposite on the euro. So that's what I'm doing. So if the euro retraces, once it takes out its low, I'm going to, wherever it plays out. Right now is kind of a standstill, and it's Thursday. And I may not want to hold a position, but I did make some profits, so that was good. Let's look at our simple glance chart. You can see the dollar pop. Found support at the point of control, 107.64 using a 1 year. And you can see the MACD is starting to get positive. You're back in chop. Chop is anywhere between 108.22. You can say 107.66. So the dollar is back in chop, pretty much right smack in the middle of the MOBO. You got the PPS, not PPS, the Woody's mid pivot, 108.12. So, you're below the 20. So it's like, what is it going to do? Is it going to go higher or kind of be here and then, continue breaking down? It's unknown yet, but the models say positive. But the models could be wrong. Look at the geometry. We're still above the your midpoint and getting a little more fractal. We're trying to, regain this angle and hold here to see maybe we could push higher. There is also a lot of angles here that I'm monitoring in my other on the master chart. So it's kind of like, see if it could kind of regain these angles, and if it can or if it will, then maybe kiss 110. This is just a little retracement, fail new low and try to kiss 110 again. And if we could push 110, then, go all the way on the hunt for 114 or, break this down here. Let's see. On a fractal level, bigger levels would be the 108.53. I didn't get to 108.19. And looking at the 4 hour, you got this nice pop. Maybe it pulls back. This could be another area where maybe if this holds right here, which is your midpoint for the week, that means that the euro is gonna pop again. And if this holds, it maybe continue going higher. So we'll see. But this is a nice little move, maybe a corrective now between today and Friday, and then maybe Monday or Sunday night, maybe do another leg higher. So it's the game to see how low can it go and if it holds. If that does hold, I am going to short the euro somewhere around where it retraces up. It's pretty much the opposite. So far, the mobiles are positive here. Looking at the hourly, as you can see, this is where I started shorting the euro, somewhere around this price action. And we got all this in inverse of the euro and took at the midpoint. So today we need to at least hold the dollar 107.65. It looks like it's about to create a retracement. This 108 level was pretty strong. I woke up, around for the London session and locked in profit. The chart just kind of was telling me that, yeah, we're probably going to stall here with the dollar. And I don't know how the volatility was going to happen with the unemployment release, but so far it was released at 7:30. It was a dud. It's not really much going on or moving it. So it looks like maybe the dollar's going to retrace. So that means the euro is going to push up and maybe, test some highs or whatnot. I think that's it for me. Good trade. And I'll keep you posted on my thoughts on the US dollar.